Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Now we will do next question. Write question number 1 from exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Write it. Write. Draw this figure also. It is there in your textbook. You have textbook. Nayana does not have textbook. That's why bring this PDF. Line AB and CD intersect at O. AB, CD intersect at O. If AOC plus BOE 70 degree and BOD is 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex COE, reflex angle. Draw that figure also. AOC, BOE 40. Did you all draw the figure? Can I start?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All of you read the question, understand the question thoroughly. A, B, and C, D intersect at point O. A, B. Line A, B. A, B, A, B, and C, D. A, B, and C, D intersect at O. So this is O. And what is given then? OE, another ray OE is there. OE is there. Given AOC plus BOE. All of you move your fingers through those two angles. AOC. AOC plus BOE. Sum of those two angles is 70. Angle AO, given that, given AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 and angle BOD equal
70
to
degree.
70 degree. BOD equal to 40 degree. BOD equal to 40 degree. BOD 40 degree. So how much it is AOC? BOD 40 degree. Huh?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
180 minus 40.
BOD 40 degree. BOD, given that BOD is 40 degree. So angle AOC
35.
35. AOC.
40.
Huh?
Ma'am,
How much?
40 degree.
Why?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angle, yes, it is 40 degree, vertically opposite angle. AOC equal to 40 degree. Write the reason in bracket. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically, AOC is vertically opposite angle. So AOC plus BOE is 70. So angle BOE is 70 minus AOC. That is 70 minus 40, 30 degree. One question, one answer we got.
Ma'am, for the exams also we have to write the reason.
Yes, yes. For a descriptive, while you are writing descriptive, you have to write the reasons in bracket. Okay.
Okay.
If the same reason is repeating again and again, no need to write. Okay. Write only once. Huh? Now we need to find COE. COE. This reflect COE. Okay. That is, we need to find this angle. Reflect COE. How? COE. This is 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. It is given. BOD 40 degree. Then BOE we got as 30 degree. This is 30 degree. This total reflex angle. Reflects. Huh? Reflex COE.
110.
No. No. Reflex COE. EOB 30. BOD 40. So how much is reflex?
70.
No. Reflex COE. I have marked there. That I will mark in some other color. This green color angle. This angle is reflex COE. COE is the other one. So reflex COE, this green color. How much it is?
110.
No. Think. COE, that green color angle. EOB 30, BOD 40. So COE, reflect COE.
40.
No.
220.
220. How?
No, ma'am, no.
Ma'am, CO is equal to?
COE equal to? COE?
30.
No.
70.
Can you say again that?
We need to find, can you see this green color angle? I have marked on the board, green color. This is the reflex COE. You need to find this angle. And for that, EOB is 30, that we found here. BOE, just this first question, BOE 30 degree. And given that BOD 40 degree, it is given in the question. So how much that reflects COE at that green color?
290.
290. No. This much you need to find. This is 30. This is 40.
210.
No.
I'm 110.
No.
180.
No.
250.
Yes. How?
250.
Yes. How?
Ma'am,
Yes, 250.
30 plus 40, 70. So the remaining is 110.
Remaining is 110.
Ma'am, that COD is linear pair.
Yes, it is a line. Correct. COD. It is a line.
So opposite.
180. This is 180. Okay, I will write on the board. See, reflex COE is the sum of angle COD. It is a line. 180 plus other two angles. Which are they? BOE and BOD. Angle BOD plus angle BOE. This angle COD, see, it is a straight angle. 180. 180 plus BOD is 40 plus 30. 250. This is straight angle. Straight angle plus 70. 180 plus 40 plus 30. Okay, clear? Or otherwise you have, is it clear? One more method is there that I will explain. No need, this is the smallest way, but I will explain the other way also. Listen, listen. We have, this angle is 40 degree and this is 30 degree now. Look at the board. This is 30 degree. That is BOE is 30 degree and BOD is 40 degree. And AOC also 40 degree because of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle. Now consider this AOB. This AOB forms 180, isn't it? Now 180 minus 30 plus 40 is angle COE, not reflex. Not reflex, angle COE. That is 180 minus 70, 110. 110 is angle COE is 110. This is 110. So its reflex angle is 360 minus 110. That also 250. That way also you will get. But our method is the simplest method. Okay, so all the way you can think. First you can find the COE. COE is 180 minus 40 plus 30, 110. Then reflex COE is 360 minus 110, 250. Okay. Okay, children. Now we will move to next question. Question number 2, right? Write question number 2 and draw its figure.
Which question?
Second one. Second one. Draw the figure also. POY 90 degree. Find C. A is to B is 2 is to 3. XOY is a line. 2 lines. XY. Okay. XY and MN intersecting at O. Find C. Draw the figure and think a little while. Are you getting any idea? Think, all of you.
1 minute.
Okay, no problem. You take your own time.
what is A is to B?
A is to be ratio. 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 Then how we will take A as, if it is A is to B, A is to 3, A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. So we can take A as
2.
2 is it?
X.
2x, yes, 2x. We will take A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. Now try.
Finish, ma'am.
What was the answer? Did you get the answer? Huh?
Ma'am, is the answer 135?
Which one? A question C. Angle C. No. No.
Sorry, ma'am, sorry.
Okay, try. I think you are reaching the answer. Try. A is to B is 2 is to 3. So, yes.
135.
How much? How much? Alan?
Ma'am, 135.
No. No, dear. A. Yes.
P of Y is equal to 90 degree.
Which one? POY. POY 90 degree. Angle POY 90 degree. It is given now. 90 degree. See?
And so A is to B is equal to 5x.
A is to
X
B.
plus 3x.
Yes. X plus 2x plus 3x. Okay. 3x
5x.
is 5x. So
5x is equal to 90.
Yes, correct.
X
Yes,
is equal to 90 by 580.
Yes, A plus B. You can write A plus B is 90. A is 2x plus 3x equal to 90. So 5x equal to 90.
X is equal to 18.
18. X equal to 18, which means A equal to 2 into 18.
2 into 18.
3 into 18. How much?
36 and 54.
Yes, A equal to 36, B equal to 54 degree. Correct. Up to
Ma'am,
this,
is the
okay.
final answer 126 degree?
Correct. Very good. Yes. B, yes. What next? A and B we got. A is 36, B is 54. Our question is C. C is, what is the next?
It's 126.
How? Step
180 minus
yes,
54.
B plus C. B plus C is this MN. It's a line. MN is a line. So B plus C is 180. B plus C is 180 degree. B is 54 plus C is 180 degree. C is 180 minus 54, 126 degree. C is 126 degree.
And that 18, how we go?
Which one?
18.
AP.
Ma'am, not 80. A is equal to 2 into 18.
A?
Ma'am is asking how that 18 degree came.
18. Okay. See, given that A is to B is 2:3. So A is 2x and B is 3x. Okay. But A plus B, see, A plus B is 90 degree. POY 90 degree. So POX also 90 degree. So you better you write here angle POX equal to 90 degree. That is A plus B equal to 90 degree. Okay, Mithun? This is 90 degree. So this angle also 90 degree. No? POY 90 degree. Therefore, POX also 90 degree. This is Y. Here it is X. This is P. O. Given that POY 90 degree.
90
So POX also 90 degree.
Yes.
Clear? And
Ma'am,
this
not that 18, how it came?
18, okay. So A plus B equal to 90 degree. A is 2x, B is 3x. So 5x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 by 5. 18. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, now write question number 3. After completing second one, write question number 3. Today I will send some homeworks. Okay, try. All of you try. Okay. Now question number 3. PQR equal to PRQ. Okay, these two are equal. PQR equal to PRQ. PQR equal to PRQ. Prove that PQS equal to PRT. Can I rub this second one's answer?
Third question.
Third one. Freud's figure 6.15.
I mean that question PQR and PRQ is same. So the angle of both angle Q and angle R is same.
How? We have to prove that they are same, they are equal. Yes, but how we will express? How can we write they are same? I will explain because see, yes, Alan. Alan, did you say anything?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, see, all of you listen to the word. Very simple. We know that they are equal, but we have to write in. We have to express they are equal. Listen to the board, all of you. PQR, angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to what? Equal to PQR plus angle PQS is PQR plus PQS is
Equal.
equal to what? PQR and PQS.
Linear pair.
Linear pair. So this is equal to 180. Bracket, write the reason. Similarly, angle PRQ plus angle PRT also equal to 180. Equation number 2. Right side of both 1 and 2 are equal. So left sides we can equate. Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Because right sides are equal, so left sides automatically will be equal. But we have, angle PQR given that.
Ma'am, after angle PQR plus
PQS. PQR plus PQS. Angle PQS. But PQR and PRQ are equal. So we can cancel these two. Reason is PQR and PRQ are equal. So PQS equal to PRT. PQS equal to PRT.
Can you explain one more time?
Sure. See, these two angles, PQR and PQS, forms linear pair. Clear? That step, equation 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, equation 2, that is PRQ and PRT forms another linear pair. Equation number 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, 1 and 2 represent same 180. So we are equating left side of both 1 and 2. Because both are 180, you know. PQR plus PQS equal to PRQ plus PRT. But given that PQR and PRQ are equal, in the question, these two angles are equal. So we can cancel from both sides. Okay. PQR equal to PRQ. Both are equal. So we can cancel equal quantity from. So okay. Remaining PQS equal to PRT.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, attendance.
Attendance. I will take it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send some homework questions. So try those questions. If you are not getting, we will discuss in the class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.